welcome back to the channel. My name is Crystal. I am the owner and creator here at Pienk Elf, and today we are going to be making Llama Crossing soap bars. I've already mixed in my kaolin clay into my oils, so the first thing we're going to do is pour in our lye water solution, and then we'll split this into 3 batches. Into our big batch, we are going to add titanium dioxide. And then into the 2 smaller batches, we're going to be adding neon pink and neon green, both from Nurture Soap. And the fragrance oil we're using today is White Peach Prosecco by Crafter's Choice. Now we're going to take our hanger tool and we're going to give this a swirl. Alright, let's set this to the side and let this thicken up, and let's go ahead and mix up our piping. We're back, and we have our piping all made up here and put into our piping bag. It has been colored with jade green mica from Nurture Soap, and as you can see, it turned this really beautiful green color, but it will turn back to a bright green color tomorrow. And the tip that we're using today is the Wilton, I can't see it, but I think it's the 223 tip, and it looks like this. And we're going to use this to pipe grass on the top. And then I made some fences and some llamas. And we're going to put fences and llamas on the top of the grass. Now we're going to let these sit for 24 hours and we'll come back tomorrow for the cut. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. It has been 24 hours and I've unmolded our Llama Crossing soap. So let's go ahead and cut into this and see what kind of swirl we have in the inside. And here we have the finished product. I think these swirls turned out so pretty. Let me give you a close-up of the llamas. Oh, that one's backwards. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know down below what else you would like to see me make. And until the next one, I'll talk to you later. Bye!